Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Take-Two. To begin, gather 2 to 4 players and a standard 52-card deck. Each player is dealt 7 cards. The remaining cards form a draw pile, and the top card is flipped face up to start the discard pile. The objective is simple: be the first to empty your hand. This game is easy to learn and offers plenty of fun for everyone involved. On your turn, you must play a card that matches either the suit or the rank of the card currently on top of the discard pile. For example, if a 5 of spades is showing, you can play any 5 or any spade. If you have no playable cards, you must draw 1 card from the stock. You can also play 2 or more cards of the same rank simultaneously, like 2 4s, changing the active suit. Take-Two features several power cards that add exciting twists. A 2 makes the next player draw 2 cards, unless they also play a 2, escalating the draw. Playing a 7 lets you clear your hand of all other cards of that same suit. An ace is a wild card, allowing you to change the active suit. Beware of black jacks, as they force the next player to draw 5 cards. The game proceeds clockwise, with players aiming to be the first to discard all their cards. Strategic use of your power cards is crucial. Knowing when to play an ace to change the suit or a 2 to make an opponent draw can turn the tide. Try to save these powerful cards for when you are close to emptying your hand. The player who successfully plays their last card is declared the winner of that round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.